Content. That's what we're going to talk about today. Content. You've probably already got lots and lots of content that you've already used, and yet you're not reusing it. You are sitting there going, I've got nothing. I don't know where to find the next post, the next video. I don't know what to say. Well, actually, go back over what you did a year ago. Go back over your structure. Go back over your goals. Go and look at the things you've already said, because you need to repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat. And the reason you need to repeat is because the amount of people who actually see your content is really small. And yet for us, the business owner or the person in the marketing team, we think, oh, we've done that, we'll park it. But actually, don't park it, reuse it, repurpose it, jig it up a bit, but use it again, because the same key messages, the same content, the same go-to-market strategy needs to be repeated and repeated and repeated, because different people will always see your content.